sales tax. So sales tax is just a government tax. Most retail sales tax includes both the state and local tax. So to find the total with the sales tax, we're going to first convert the sales tax to a decimal. That means we're going to go ahead and divide it by 100%. So once we've converted the sales tax to a decimal, we're then going to go ahead and multiply the starting amount by the decimal that we just found. And then in our last step, we're just going to go ahead and add. So we're going to go ahead and add what we found in the second step to the starting amount. So let's go ahead and look at the first example. So the total cost of a job for labor and parts is $172. If the sales tax is 8.9%, what is the final cost of the labor and parts with the sales tax? So we have $172. So step one, we're going to go ahead and take this 8.9%. We're going to go ahead and divide it by 100%. So that means we're just moving the decimal over to the left 2 times. So we can get 0.089. Now step 2, always feel free to do the calculator in step 1 if you are unsure. Now we're going to take this and multiply it by the starting amount, which is $172. And what do we get? So let's get the calculator out. Now once again, if you're unsure, feel free to do this, right? Which is what we got. Then we're going to go ahead and multiply by the starting amount, and we get $15.31, because we're just going to round to the nearest hundredth as we're dealing with money here. So 15.31. That's it, right? That's dollar amount. And then step 3 is we're going to add, so this $15.31, so that's our tax, to the starting amount. So we're just go plus 170, and we got $187.31. And that would be our total. Now let's go ahead and look at the second example. So example 2, the cost of the items from a wholesaler is $2,500. What is the total cost of the items with a 7.9% sales tax? So step 1, let's convert the 7.9% into a decimal. So we divide it by 100%, and we just get 0.079. Step 2, we're going to take that decimal. So right, we kind of just noticed is we're taking whatever we found in the last step and we're adding it to the second step somehow. So this one we're going to go ahead and multiply by 2,500. And we get $197.50. Step 3, let's go ahead and add these to, right, add the sales tax to the starting amount. And we get $2,697.50. I'm actually gonna rewrite it here. And that would be our total. Now, let's go ahead and look at the last example, example 3. The total cost of a job for labor and parts is $1,575. If the sales tax is 9.3%, what's the final cost of the labor and parts with the sales tax? So, step 1. Divide by 100 on the sales tax, right? And then we get 0.093. Step 2, we're going to go ahead and take that decimal, multiply it by the starting amount, we get $146.48. Step 3, let's just take that sales tax and then add it to the starting amount. And what do we get? Well, we get $1,721.48. And that would be our total.